Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Welcome once again. Now we want to talk about the internet. What is the internet? Well, as we discussed before, the internet is a global communication network that allows almost all computers worldwide to connect and exchange information. As we called it before, the internet is a network of networks. Let us now consider some terms related to the internet. First of all, the browser. The browser is a program with a graphical user interface for displaying HTML files. As we consider this, we're going to learn what HTML means. This is used to navigate the World Wide Web. Examples of browsers include Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer as used for computers, and also Opera Mini, UC Web, and others used in our phones. We also have another term we want to discuss about, and that is download. Download means taking a file from the internet and moving it into your computer or your own device or your phone. And we have the opposite, which is upload. Upload means taking a file from your computer or your phone or your device and sending it into the internet. So that is, download is from the internet to your computer. Upload from your computer to the internet. Web page. A web page is any document with its own address on the internet. As mentioned before, the internet is a large network, a network of networks. Let us now compare that to a city and each network to a street. A web page is like a destination on each street, an address on each street. A website is a group of World Wide Web pages, that is, a group of web pages usually containing hyperlinks to each other and made available online by an individual, a company, an institution, the government, or any organization. That is, a group of web pages that are hosted by one person. We now have another term, that is ISP, an Internet Service Provider. You cannot just connect to the internet on your own. You must have to go through an Internet Service Provider. This is an organization that provides services for accessing, using, or participating in the internet. The next is HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. This is the set of markup symbols or codes inserted in a file intended for display on a World Wide Web page. Now, a hypertext markup language is a language. Just like other programming languages, this is a programming language that is used mainly for design of World Wide Web pages. The markup tells the web browser how to display a web page's words and images for the user to use. We also have a Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. This is a set of rules for transferring files, just like text, graphics, sound, and any other multimedia file from the web page. As soon as a web user opens their web browser, the user is indirectly making use of HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now, we want to look at some popular browsers that we use today. An example is this. This is Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser that is mainly used on computers. As you can see here, this is Chrome, and we can see its parts. Also here, we can see our phone web browsers. For example, in this page, we can see Opera Mini. Opera Mini is a very common web browser used today.